This is Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures coming to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago with your livestock roundup. We're seeing the cattle market get a little bit of a firmness underneath it, which is nice to see considering we saw the outside markets and the equities roll over hard yesterday afternoon and again experiencing some weakness. So shrugging that off, and I think a lot of that is due to both some fundamentals and some technicals. Now, yesterday we saw some cash coming in 110 to 110.5. Today that's firmed up and we're seeing quite a bit of trade come across the board at about 111. On top of that, we've got significant technical support in December live cattle coming in at about 115.85 to about 116. This represents a key retracement on the year as well as the original breakout point from September 14th. So previous resistance now becomes first technical support. And as we had mentioned last week, I think we're reestablishing a trading range. Previously, over the past couple months, really, it was 111 to 115. I think we've bumped that up, now trading 116 to 120. Now at the bottom end of this range, I think this is where you find value as a buyer. Now on the feeder cattle side of things, same type of thing. 155.5 to 156 for November is going to be the pocket that the bulls desperately wanted to feed. This basically lines up with the exact technical formation of the live cattle, so nothing new there. I think at the lower end of this range, you want to be a buyer giving it a shot until we see a break and close below 155.50. Now, wrapping things up with the lean hogs really not getting any love. December rolling over very hard, but coming into a nice technical support pocket and maybe a little bit oversold in the very near term. 53.85 to 54 represents the 50 and the 100-day moving average. The 50-day is about to cross up through the 100-day, which is typically looked at as a golden cross and a bullish signal, but that could be negated by a head and shoulders formation, which is bearish. So a little bit conflicting here on the chart. So if you have no position, maybe the best position is to stay in cash and sit on the sidelines and wait for a little bit more clarity. So that's what we're looking at. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Slope with Blue Line Futures from the floor of the CME.